In this session, I am going to talk about my project Smart Plant. The key motivation of my project is India's major source of income is agriculture, in which irrigation system plays a major role. And nowadays, these irrigation systems are manually operated or semi-automated. So, I plan to make an automated system for the farmers which can say them which is the right time and right amount to water the plants, and it can also save the energies, and it will also avoid overwatering which will damage in the growth of plants. Now, what will it do to indicate? When the soil is dry, like this, it will turn on the red LED and give and start saying that water me, and it will also send a notification, SMS and email to my phone. Now we can see it. As you can see here, there is a notification, and here is the email, and
water me.
And now it's saying water me.
Water me. Water me. Water me. Water me. Water me. Water me. Water me. Water me.
And now you can see when it is watered, it will stop all this and start turning on this green LED, so that although the farmer don't have the smartphone, he can find through this indicator. Now, how does it work? This is the soil moisture sensor. This is a probe which detects this moisture, and this is the another circuit in which there is a potentiometer in which we can adjust the threshold, and this sends the signal to this one shield. It has a Bluetooth module which will communicate to this phone, and this is an Arduino Uno in which I have coded what to do when it is moist and when it is not moist, and it is connected to red and green LED which will act as an indicator. This is the pin configuration of this soil moisture sensor to the Arduino, and this is the code of my project. I am going to explain briefly because I don't want to make this video too long. Here I have defined all the header files, and here I have defined all the pin numbers, and here I have made an if condition that when the sensor value is greater than 600, there is no water, so it will send message to my number that please water me, and in the terminal also it will say that water me, and it will also say that water me, and it will also send to this Gmail ID that please water me, and for the notification it will also say water means, and else the green high, that is this green LED high means it will turn on, and it will delay for 1 second and it will turn on both the LEDs. Now, this is the future enhancement. This I am planning to do next. That is, I will add one more unit which can be connected to these motors, so that when the moisture control is low, it will automatically water the plants. And I am also going to install a unit which can be fixed in the water tank. So if there is below some level, it will automatically turn on the motor and fill that water. To power all these units, I am going to use this solar panels, which is eco-friendly. Thanks.